Hey everybody, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today I'm working on this awesome transfer called the Vintage Bug. Perfect for me because that was my first car. So first what I'm doing is I'm putting the first layer on. There are 3 layers to this one. And I'm putting on MDF. It's a 3/4 inch thick. And now here's the second layer. I'm putting on Elephant Gray or Be Storm. And for the wheels. And now, after that, I took it to my scroll saw and I cut it out. Now I want to duplicate what my car looked like in my mind's eye, which, trust me, was a long time ago. My memory's not that great. But what my first car looked like, I decorated the whole thing with these huge flowers. I believe I used contact paper. Who knew, right? All right, so what I did is I took a bunch of transfers, smaller ones of flowers that would fit on this, and I put it just all over this vintage bug. Trying to do as I did when I was younger. The chalk paste, I just used a combination of orange, pink, which is actual coral, I think, and yellow. Some I did solid colors, some I mixed. So I was just playing around with this, different ways of doing it. Using my finger to blend some colors in, using the squeegee sometimes, or both. Just playing around, different transfers of all flowers and how I put it on. Isn't this so cute? I love it. It was almost like they made this transfer just for me. So what was your first car? Now, along with my collection of vintage trucks, vintage tractors, I now have my vintage bug. So I'm just playing along. Always, our main tool is a squeegee. And when you're done with the transfers, you need to wash it with water. Not real hot, not cold, just room temperature water. Take it on Clorox wipes front and back and let it dry, sticky side up. There she is, and I love her. Awesome. So if you like this too and you want to take a look, go to my website, couture.com/Cherie Criswell. Bye.